apricot. B for banana. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fan. G for green. H for hen. I for ice. J for juice. K for kid. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rose. S for snake. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for